Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix cannot reset password. This Apple ID is not valid or not supported. So guys, if you're trying to reset the password or change the password, or you're trying to sign in your Apple ID on your iPhone but you're facing this issue, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and now open settings in your device. Then scroll it below and tap on general, tap on software update and update your software to the latest version. So guys, do this, and after this go back and then scroll it below and tap on date and time and set your date and time. Then go back and tap on language and region and select your country or region correctly from here. Then go back and tap on VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN on your device. And then tap on transfer or reset iPhone and then tap on reset and reset network settings of your device for one time as well. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to go to screen time and then you have to scroll it below and tap on content and privacy restrictions and turn off the toggle for content and privacy restrictions from here. So guys, do this, and after this restart your device for one time as well. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply open any browser and search here for appleid.apple.com. So guys, here is it, and wait here for some seconds, and from here tap on the small arrow button and from here tap on sign in and try to sign in your Apple ID using this website. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply contact the Apple support team for further information and help. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.